Hi everyone, so today I am cleaning my room. So the last time I did something like this was just before I started my YouTube, so about a year ago, so all of this shouldn't really be so overwhelming. I'm taking you with me and I hope you enjoyed it. This will take a little while. Okay, so I already told you that I left PS3 and PS4 in its place, and I filled up these two already. This is the best it will get, and it's okay enough for me. And I have this one where I have medicine and hair straightener and the colorer and the toothbrush that I used for cleaning my hookah pipe that I don't smoke anymore. Okay, so I know that it will look like I didn't make a lot of progress, but I promise you I did. And this is all of things that I'm keeping, and I need to put them back inside of these drawers. All of this and all of that. These are empty, so all of this stuff plus probably some clothes that I'm gonna go through still are gonna go into those. I'm watching Friends. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm leaving it like that. Also, I fixed this one. I also made a bed. I changed the bed sheets and the pillow covers, and I don't use anything on my duvet or whatever you call this. These are just random things that I don't know really where to put them at the moment, but I wanna keep this. If I don't find a place to put them, then I will throw them out next week. So this is what I'm working with right now. All these clothes, these are all clean, don't worry. It just looks like a mess because that's kind of how it was stuffed in all of these. So in this cabinet I have my jeans, trousers and shorts. Here are my underwear basically. Here my boyfriend's underwear, socks and things like that. This is empty still. And this one only has these. I still have spaces here, so I'm gonna fill them up later. Probably with clothes. And I turned the couch around. It was originally here, but I always do this when I kind of feel like I need a little bit of change. Here I have all of my books because I don't have a bookshelf. So yeah, I stuck it up there because it doesn't take up additional space. And I want to resell those books, probably all of them at one point. I just don't know when, to those old bookstores that we have around here. And this suitcase, I can show you actually. One of my friends lended this to me because I was working as a dealer of cards and roulette in casino for a little while. So I had to learn the math and the tricks with chips and the cards. So he lended this to me and I was learning with this. But yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please like it, comment down below, write down any suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!